everybody. How are my Benzinga people this morning? If Wendy makes me money, I am ordering Wendy's for dinner. I am with you. Yes. Well, you got 25.80 in Wednesdays. We're down at that 24.30 level. So let's see what happens. Let it open up. Let everything open up. Good morning, my Benzinga friends. Wendy's on the radar, Clove on the radar, BB on the radar. You know, yesterday we said it was Meme Monday. Well, today's Meme Tuesday. It's like we don't even look at regular stocks anymore. All right? It's all about meme. Clove is not shortable. We'll watch it for a trend trade on a pullback. I mean, you could get a tiny little Wendy's out at 25.85. I don't know. Let's put a little marker, because if it holds that level, it's probably good. On $1.40 from here, but I'm not going to put out anything more than a marker. 25.85. Now, Wendy's is a meme stock. Wackadoodle. Mavis. Yeah, same thing. Mavis can get going again to the upside. Every one of these stocks looks exactly the same to me. They all look like they can go. So we give everything a few minutes to settle down. All right. Yesterday it took us, we had a couple of trades in the morning, but then we had the really good one at like 2 o'clock. That's just the way it goes sometimes, right? Got a little bit in AMC down at 55.50. If we spike down $2.50 to our 200 EMA. Yeah, I mean, they don't make things easy. And well, listen, they never make things easy. If it was easy, we'd be doing this for a week, and then nobody would have to trade anymore, right? Fubo. Again, Fubo's a little too close from me right there, but 30 could be a spot in Fubo. Rich, it's only down like 30 cents to hit the 65. So, no. But $30, if you get a little down to 30, you'll be all right. We'll see what happens. AHT, not something we're going to day trade. If you like it, buy it, put it away. AMC bought some at 53 in the afternoon. Very nice, Beth. Excellent. Don't forget to say sold and take some profits. Clove is on the radar. Yes. Beyond. Smack-a-dack and beyond. All right. You got 151 and beyond. That could work really early. 150, 10. And it's down $2 from here, so I'd probably take a shot on that. Well, I'm not chasing any of these stocks all the way up here. I can tell you that right now. 149.80 beyond on the 30-minute. All right, let's do it. I like that. 149.80. We'll do it small. Getting down there, so it's down $3 from here. Give it a crack. Chip stocks. Yeah, GameStop almost reached 300 this morning. It was $299. AMD's going a little bit. NVIDIA's going a little bit. Tiger. Yeah, Tiger's rallying with all these other things. Everything's going. Be patient early, guys. Let everything happen. BB, Neo, and Palantir, I have buys on the opening. All right, tell me what prices. Yep, BB could set up for a nice uptrend. 16.25 is the first spot. Neo's kind of sitting doing nothing. Let's see if we get the smack-a-dack in AMC. So we got 55.60 in AMC, and then we got like 53.75 if we spike down there. Mr. Wendy's coming in. We'll see if it holds that 25.90 spot. Otherwise, I like 24.20 for a trade if that happens. Crimson and Clover, give it a couple of minutes to set up. AMC, So much for that pullback. Oh, my goodness. AMC 62.12. I'm going to put a little marker out for a short-ski Wartsky if we spike up there. Just a little tiny marker, and we can maybe get a far from moving average trade early. 62. Certainly ain't pulling back, right? Crazy. Wendy's is a stock. It's a new meme stock. They decided to buy it this morning. Clover, we ain't getting a 1440. Can't short Clove, so. Now again, Clove just broke out of a nice little base and gave you a dollar trade in 2 seconds, so. We want to buy Clove on a pullback. Geez, Christmas. Well, Beyond just hit 157 for a short, guys. I mean, we couldn't have got out there. It was too early. But 157 was a little spot right there and Beyond. Pretty sure you're going to get a dollar out of that one. All right, let it set up. Look, we can't do anything about these moves that these stupid stocks are doing. I mean, it's insane. Up, down. AMC just went to $59. Right? Crazy. We talked about buying Clove 2 days ago at $10, guys. $10 we talked about buying Clove, right? We had it out there. Shouldn't have canceled leads. What are we doing leads? Oh, wow. 2520 LEDS. Yeah, that was a nice trade. Holy crap. Wow. Yeah, it gave you 50, 60 cents. I mean, we can't short Clove. Clove's going to get halted if it gets above 20. Before working with you, I had it at 8 and sold at a loss, Clove. Oh, my God. Kidding me. That's crazy. Guys, you think Beyond was a good short at 157, guys? Holy shit. Pardon my language. I think just went down $3.50. Oh, my God. That is insane. Absolutely insane. This market's wackadoodle right now. So Wendy's went up to 27.30. All right, let's see if Wendy's holds at 25.85. I definitely like 25.20. Clover. Yeah, I mean, we definitely want to buy some Clove on a pullback if we can, right? 16.30. Clove. 16.30 Clove. We'll try that small. Good sale on the Clove, guys. Good sale on the Clove. Wendy's watching 26. Yeah, 25.85. If Wendy's holds, we can grab a little bit. Let's see if we get the smack-a-dack there. So if it hits 25.85, gives us a little green bar, we'll buy a little. Otherwise, I like the 24.30 if we spike all the way down there. It's good. BB, Chop City. Spiders are getting smacked down. Yeah, a little bit. All right. Well, let's see if any of these stocks pull back. Not AMC. Rip up, rip down, rip up, rip down, rip up, rip down. Roblex. What's the daily in Roblex? 90? I just missed it. That would have been very nice. For a trade anyway. If it breaks it now, you know, likey so much. Tesla. All right. It's early, guys. You know, Tesla, you got 612 and 608. I like both. 612 and 608. LEDS 2145. That is the 15-minute. I love it. Let's do it. LEDS 2145. All over that if it happens. I don't think it's going to happen, but I'll be aggressive down there, guys. 200 shares. Just missed UONE. Yeah, almost got to 1660. Leads the 30-minute is 23.35. Ooh, that might work, Rich. That would be quite a smackdown. Neo. And Neo getting a smackdown. I don't see anything here. Maybe 43.65. Beyond. Do I want to get out of what? The short? Yeah, you should have covered that short a long time ago. Leads hit 23.40? No way. Holy shit. Yeah, it did. Nice call. Wendy's? What are you doing, Sal? You buying some Wendy's here? Or you're bidding 25.85 and adding to it if it goes lower? Is that what you're telling us? Talk to me, Goose. Talk to me, Goose. I don't know what bid adding means. Don't know what that means. Cancel close. Cancel AMC. Cancel beyond. Doing Wendy's at 25.85. All right. I don't mind that. If we get there. I'm going to leave out the 24.30 just in case it pulls back, but it already bounced, so. Try to 25.85. It's good. Yeah, we missed leads. We got misled in leads. All right, no big deal. AMC 55.60. Let's take a quick peek. Yeah, I would have liked it if we went right there in AMC, right? Let's have about 53.80 in AMC, just in case, guys. We're not paying attention and it gets a real smackdown. Edit. Just in case. Tesla pivot point 412. 612. I like Tesla 612, guys. You can try that if we get there fast. Yes. Roblex. Give me another level in Roblex, guys. You know, it gave you 90 for a little trade. FUV. Why does FUV feel like you're cursing at me? You could try a little short FUV at 15.20, Joe. You know, you're not going to get $10 out of it. You get 30, 40 cents. It's a good trade. All right. Everybody get into Wendy's at 25.85. If you got Wendy's at 25.85, guys, start selling a little, 26.10 and higher. Take a little profit. All right. And I would have a break-even stop now because if it gets back below that, it's probably going lower. There's a good, big area for it to hold. If it holds here, you can get 50, 60 cents out of it. So hang out. See what happens. But keep it tight. Facility. Whoa, Facility, guys. 52.65. We got a little short in Facility. $2. All right. Trying a little Facility. 52.65, guys, if it does it right now on the short. Facility getting a little stretched. We have a level at 52.65. I want it right now. Wendy's. All right, see what Wendy's does. Just gave you like 30 cents off that. Hang out. Holy Kodak, guys. Kodak, guys. Kodak. Come on, baby. Do you a thing, Kodak. We bought some 10 calls in Kodak yesterday. Giving Facility one more minute here, guys. Apple bullish. Yes, Apple looking really good. I love it. Yeah, not crazy about Wendy's. I like the 24.30 one, though. Kiss my ass, Facility. We always want our orders fast, guys. And Facility, I know would have been a good trade if it spiked right up there, right? I think we would have got a quick 40, 50 cents on this. We missed it by 2 cents for silly. Really? Kiss my ass. Pardon my language, everybody. Oh, we missed facility by 2 cents for a 50-cent trade. Yeah, Palantir's bouncing a little. All right, guys, I like the Wendy's at 24.30. I think we could be a little aggressive down there for a trade. Man, we missed facility for 50 cents in 10 seconds, guys. My old grandmother used to say, "Kiss 'em, I took us." All right, look at that trade, guys. We only wanted 50 cents. Just gave 60 cents. You piece of dog poo-poo. Oh, well. Boeing, what do we got, guys? Boeing. 250, 260, and 250, 160. All right, fast 250, 260. I like 250, 160 better, but that's good. I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. AMC coming in. Let's look. I almost got to that 55.60 AMC, right? Got to 55.80. So I don't like that now. Just got to be a little patient now, guys and gals. I know it stinks. Kodak? Kodak was just a lottery ticket. We figured all the other meme stocks are going. Maybe this one will. I mean, we bought the 10 calls yesterday. What did we pay for those, guys? I don't remember. 17 cents, something like that? Yeah, 17 cents. Let's see what happens. Clover? Ooh, Clover. What do we like Clover, guys? Getting a nice smackdown in that. Wendy's is getting a bounce from here. Clover. How about 15.10 Clover, guys? Yes. I like it, Sal. 15.10. I'm going to pop out a couple of hundred shares there. I think we get a bounce off that if we go there. Cancel Wendy's bounce. Cancel LEDS bounce. For now, LEDS still does not look good, guys. But I like that 24 and change. Whatever that is, 21 and change. How are our Neo 50 calls up? Apple far from moving average. I mean, we're up $1 in Apple. Look, here's the short in Apple, 129.03. Let's just do it. Apple short, 129.03 for a trade. 129.03. Made my nut on Clover. I love it. Nice job, Ken. GameStop 305, really? Holy crap. What is going on in GameStop? 315s are short in GameStop. I mean, you got to have big ones to strap it on, but I don't know why that just did that. That looks newsy to me. AMC did the same thing, just went up $3. Wow. I know. It didn't quite get to the 65, though. It just missed it. These things trade exactly together. It's insane. You tell me why. This stock, AMC just went up $20, GameStop. $20. What the hell is going on? Insane. Wendy's. Yeah, I don't like Wendy's anymore. I like it down much lower. Myrna would have been good at 208. We ain't even getting close there. Next, jumped and then halted. Huh, Kevin? All right. It's a good one to have. Very nice. We're watching Apple. Earnings in GameStop? No. No earnings due in GameStop today. Not that I know of. Guys, we got a double on our options in Kodak. What do you think? Should we sell one? Usually we say sell one when we have 50%. Yeah, Clove bounced off the trend, but it was a very messy trend. Very messy. Next up on upgrade, so may not keep running. Thank you, Webb. Guys, did we sell Kodak? Pay for the trade? One of our options? What do you think? Or do we leave it? We got the rest of the week. These stocks are going pretty good here. I don't know. You already sold half, Gus? Okay. GameStop earnings tomorrow. Okay, there you go. I mean, 315 was fine. You would have had to add to it a little bit, but you just would have got, $5 out of it. Apple. All right. I like Apple short, guys. That'll be really stretched for Apple. I think we get a 30, 40-cent trade out of it. Yeah. Let's give it a couple more minutes. All right. Let me look at our options in AMC. I put a sell stop in one of the options at 31 cents. This way, if it keeps going, let's see what happens. AHT. And again, AHT. Nope. 1580 in BB. You can try it. It's kind of sloppy to me, though. Delta Airlines, dead flat, sitting in the middle, not doing anything. CARV. The hell's a Carver Bank Corp? Now we got bank stocks that are meme stocks. I mean, really? Thing just went up $3.50. I mean, I don't get it. 35 years I'm doing this, guys, and this is a crazy wackadoodle market if I've ever seen one. Canceling the Clover. You're not getting me in Kodak. I'm hanging out. I'll put one out to sell at 32 cents. Otherwise, I'm leaving it. You stink, Apple. Shit can Apple for now. Everything's a meme stock now. There's no such thing as a stock market anymore. It's just meme stocks. That's it. That's all it is. Yeah, Palantir just bounced off the 9. Tesla short. Never really a good idea to short Tesla, but yeah, I mean, it's in a downtrend now, right? I think you got to buy some Tesla at 608.50, guys. 608.50. That would be down $7 from here. I like it. I like it. I like it. 612.37 if it goes fast. Probably all right. Forget about AMC and GameStop right now, guys. These things are too hard to trade. They're just too hard to trade. They're all over the frickin' place. Just too hard to trade. I would not mess with these things. GameStop I will buy if it pulls back. Now, right? I mean, yeah, if it goes down 20 points, we'll buy a little GameStop. Yes. Pins. Not stressed, but pins is definitely a better trend trade. Apple is a better trend trade. Yes, yes, yes. Open table. Open smack down in the middle of everything. I don't see anything there. Yeah, I mean, Tesla hit the trend line up at 619. That was a good. Trading no options. Anything we can do in Kodak. I guess you can buy a little stock if you think something stupid's going to happen, but I don't know. I'm trying to sell one at 32 cents for a double. See what? Actually, I'm canceling it. Who cares? Either it's going to go or it's not going to go. I bought it to make a big hit, not to make a little hit. How about Roblex at 87.50, guys? That would be down $3. Roblex, 87.40. Guys okay with that one? Roblex. I think we got to try that, guys. Roblex, 87.40. Okay. Doubled my daily goal with Clove in one trade. Doubled my daily goal. All right, guys, post trades before you're getting in them, please. Please, please, please. SQ, Neo, Workhorse. SQ 217, guys. You can try a little SQ. Right? 217.02 is good. Yes. Nokia is not a stock we're going to day trade, King. If you like that one, you put it away. Period. Skills. 2250 skills. Let's look. All right, we got 2250 and 22 in skills. So I like both. Do it small. 2250 skills. You got to add a 22 if we get that. Probably going to bounce from here. Thank you, transparent traders. I have to be in court. Uh-oh. I hope that's a good thing. Wendy's? Yes, I would buy Wendy's at 24.40. Yes. AI? Yeah, if AI pulls back to the trend, 62, that looks good. I am in Neo. Where are you in Neo? KK, where are you in Neo? Let me know. 43.70. All right, hang out a little bit. It's hitting the trend line. Okay. Hang out. See if you get a bounce from here. Cancel skills, taking too long. Cancel Roblex. That ain't happening. Spies coming in. Apple. All right, you want to buy a little Apple at 127.30 on the trend? It's good. Apple 127.30. We tried a trend. Clove just hit the 9. Clove is one ridiculous mofo of a stock. All right, 17.34. If you got it, that's fine. June 11th, AMC, 80 calls. Why not? Why the hell not? Why not? Look at GameStop, guys. Oh, my God. $340. Market tanking and everything else is going up. All these meme stocks anyway. Neo, start selling a little bit at 85. Cool. If you get to 85, sell a little Neo. All right. Sell a little at 85. And then sell a little at 44. 85 and 44. Neo. Myrna. Wow. Holy shite, Myrna. This is one messed up stock market right now. I'll tell you that right now. Well, we're not trading to make 2 cents, Q. Again. No, you can't keep doing this. You can't trade Neo to make 6 cents on a trade. Apple? No, I like Apple on a trend at 127.30. But let's cancel it now because we just came close. Market tanking. It's not really tanking. It might come in a little bit, though. CCIV. Yeah, all these things are coming in a little bit now. So let's just not be in a hurry on the long side. All right, now I'm going to sell a Kodak 10 call. One of them. And at 37 cents. All right. So one of the Kodak calls, 37 cents for like an 80% profit. AMC is doing good now. Oh, geez, Christmas. Again, I think AMC is a little too dangerous to be trading now. I know, it's crazy. I'd say short at 62, but Apple. All right, you're in Apple 127.30. That's fine. You can have like a 30-cent stop, Apple. Keep it tight. Well, Q, you're never going to make any money if you keep doing what you're doing. Never. You'll make a couple of pennies here and there, but you were long 1,000 shares at 43.60. That's a $400 trade. Told you to hold it until 44. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Listen to me after you get in a trade. All right, so 30 cents on 1,000 shares is $300 that you would have put in the bank. XPEV, again, guys, bounced off the 65er. If you were there, it's fine. A Kodak moment. Yeah. Well, look, we can't lose money on Kodak now. We sold it double. You know, some people in the room bought 20 of these options for 17 cents for $340. You know, they're up $400 already. Nothing wrong with that. WKHS. Yeah, that's nice. Nice trend trade in WKHS. I like it. Yeah, I mean, AMC would have been good at 62. I mean, do we want to buy AMC now? I don't know what to do with any of these things, guys. Look how choppy this is. You would think it would hold 57.50 now, but I don't know. BB. Yeah, BB, you can do a little at 16.30. I kind of like that on the trend. Yes, yes. 16.60, 16.30 is fine. I like it. I'm with you, Rodrigo. I think the stock's going higher. I'm with you. Can XPEV see 43 soon? XPEV see 43 soon. Could it? I guess anything's possible. Getting a little stretched out on the daily. Apple. All right, Apple, guys. For a trade, 126.70. And then we got 126.12. I didn't like anything with the market coming in, you know. Matter of fact, let's just be patient. Apple, 126.15. Let it come in. And if it holds that level, we can be a little aggressive. All right, the market's coming in now, guys. Yeah, the market's coming in a little more. Let's be a little careful on the long side, all right? I'd rather miss than get caught in something. I hate AMAT with an absolute passion. I hate it. You guys remember last time I traded AMAT? We got in, we got out, and then it kicked our ass. But we do have 9 red bars in a row, right, Alfredo? Jeez Louise. I mean, you should get a bounce off 137.50 in the AM AT. That's okay. That's fine, Nancy. That's why I canceled the order. I wasn't really crazy about it. So keep your eyes on my order box. Hey, Matt, you can try a little 137.50 if we go fast. Coin dipping. Well, coin almost just hit this little level at 222, but I don't like that. What's Bitcoin doing, guys? I mean, I think we're going to see 18,000 in Bitcoin. That's my belief. I don't know when, but I think that's what we're going to see. AMC is ripping, looking to break 62 before squeeze to 150. All right. I'll be honest with you, Rodrigo. I could give two craps what AMC does. If it sets up for a trade, we're going to trade it. That's all. I hope everybody who's long, it goes to 150. NBB at 1663. All right. Very nice on the trend. Good. Excellent. Excellent, BB. Good job. We trade, and I got to tell you, Rodrigo, we probably make more money trading it than just buying it and holding it with the moves that the stock makes. You know, we were long at $14 and change, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago before this whole thing started. Clover, crimson and clover. Yeah, I mean, clove looks good. You know, if you got in on a trend, it's fine. Let's spike down to that 17, 16, 30. Can you check PRTK? What is PRTK? If it has less than 1 million shares, I'm not going to trade it at all. And I can just tell by looking at it, there's no volume to new. I did not sell at the pop, and I literally bought it before the rip twice. Good. Excellent. Excellent. Look, I'm of the mindset that I want everybody to do well. The only thing I tell people to do is take profits at times. That's all. Bulls, bears, and pigs. Bulls make money, bears make money, pig gets slaughtered. So you just take profits. I mean, it wasn't looking good when the stock went from 72 back to 40, right? So Lemonade looks like a better buy. I would not be shorting it. Rocket was good off the trend if you got it. Again, the same thing with space to 100. That's not how we operate here. We are not diamond hands meme traders thinking that things are going to go to 500 and 600 and 700. If they do, God bless you. It's just not what we do in this room. That's all. WKHS. Better buy than sell. If we get a pullback, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Apple bounced a little bit. Cancel that. Nothing to do with Apple right now. Why don't we day trade Clove? We can day trade Clove. A bunch of people got in it, Nance, when it pulled back to the trend line. Someone just got in it at like 1660, 1670. We can. Just keep in mind, okay, there's 120 people in my room. There's 500 people in Benzinga. So I'm not getting all the trades that everybody else is. But I'm telling you what's good and what's not. LEDS, didn't we have that 21 and change that we were looking at? 21, yeah, 2150 LEDS. 15 minute. Let's pop a little out there. I like that. LEDS 2150. We get a smack a dacket. I like it. RBCN, EXPR. Let's take a look. RBCN, negative. That stock trades about 5 shares a day. EXPR. EXPR, again, it's a lottery ticket if you like it. $6 stock. You buy a little, you put it away, you forget about it. It's good. You know, I tell everybody to have a small portion of your portfolio in some of these stocks that you like that you think have potential. TER, I do not think trades enough volume for us to get involved in. Trades less than 1 million shares a day. I mean, 127.80 if you want a level in TER. GameStop. Yeah, GameStop 315, guys. Very small, though. You know it's GameStop. But yes, that's the trend. 315 GameStop. It's actually 316.50. But again, do it very small. If it holds, you can add to it. And that's because that's the 9. 316.50 is the 9 now. I like it. So we're trying to get in GameStop on a trend trade, and that would be around 316.50, which is down $24 from the high. You know, we'll risk like $1 on it because the next level is 311. So small. AMD very rarely is going to be a far from moving average trade. It's 50 cents again away. I don't like it. Chris, it's not a far from moving average trade yet. Sava? Sava is a drug stock that traded with all these wackadoodle ones yesterday, right? Well, I mean, the first time at 68.90, Sava was beautiful. Boom. U.S. officials seized 2.3 million of the ransom collected by Colonial Pipeline hackers. I mean, Sava, I would definitely like at 67.20 now. Boom chakalaka. That would be fine. Cancel GameStop. It just went up $10. Yep. Can we get a pullback on LI? It would be nice if you want to get in a trend trade. Yes. Bingo. I don't want to look at bingo. We had 10 calls the other day. Don't tell me it's getting close to that. Nah, sitting in the middle of everything. Nothing to do in bingo. Get the lead out. Get the lead out. Better short LEDS if it rallies up, but I like the 2150 for a trade. So, Dave, I'm in a trend to, I want to add, can I add what stock and what price? You got to tell me. What stock, what price? Again, Clove just spiked down and hit 1750 on the 9. Then you got 1720 and you got 17. So 17, you could buy a little Clove to get back in. Clove, you're in at 1738 and you sold too soon. Wow. Well, you can add at 1718. That's what I would look at now. I wouldn't buy it any higher than 1718 right now. In Clove. What was that $6 to sit on? What $6? $6. I don't know. We could have been long freaking Clove at $10 3 days ago. Apple is dead. Yeah, I mean, it's dead. It would have been nice if we pulled back to our level, but it didn't. Look at GameStop, guys. That would have been nice. DKNG breaking out. Yeah, it's a nice story. It's breaking out without me. So Tesla, first time down to the 612 level, gave you a nice bounce. First time down, it was a trade. Now we got 608.50 in Tesla. So that's the next spot I would look at 608.50. LEDS short at 25. We can't short LEDS, guys. Julian. Not, at least I can't. I can't short it, but cancel 21.50 for now. But I like it at 25. Short. AI. AI is not stretched yet. It's definitely a better buy on a pullback, right? And it would be a short at 67 banana skins if we spike out there. So AI is definitely a better buy. 63.30. I'll put out an order. It's all about being patient and disciplined, guys. That's what it's about. I didn't do anything. 63.30. Yes, include extended hours. Yes. Yes. WKHS, Workhorse. Yeah, Workhorse 1570, 1550 is okay. Yes. But yeah, include extended hours in your charts, everybody. Apache, there's no game in Apache. Hurt Scrambler. It's got a 30-cent range. I know LEDS bounced. I saw LEDS. I wish we could short it, but we can't. Lots of. Again, lots. When you guys put up stocks, I'm not dismissing it as not important or anything, but if I see a stock that's not anything normally we're going to do, I'll just let you know, like lots. We're never going to day trade that. Again, it's a $6 stock. If you like it, you buy some, you hang on. That's it. Rocket Man, trend trade. If it pulls back, it's a better buy than sell. Donkey Kong, DraftKings, excuse me. Yeah, 54 could be a trade. In DKS, DK, whatever the hell it is. Workhorse, I said you can buy a little at 1560 for a trender in Workhorse. I like that. Yes. Mr. AMC. Now we're probably consolidating above all these levels for another move up in AMC. Kind of just sitting here. Losing volume a little bit now, right? Tilray. Tilray wouldn't be enough of a move down to buy it. BXRT. Another one dead. I don't see anything there. FUV. Better buy than sell FUV. That's a nice trend trade, FUV. We mentioned this morning as being okay, right? It's up $1.50 from there, FUV. Much better buy than sell. Much better buy than sell, FUV. Labu and LabD. I'd rather trade Labu. I mean, it almost spiked down to that 68.20, but sitting in the middle of everything, not doing anything. If you short DKNT at 21, you'll be in big trouble. Oh, DK. Well, I don't know. I don't think I'd short Donkey Kong here. 54.80, maybe right now, but to me the stock looks like it wants to go higher. No. Yep. How do you see a better buy than a sell like that? Is it a chart thing? Or it's all charts, Matt Logan. Look, every time I put up a chart, the first thing I can recognize is it a buy? Is it a sell? Is it stretched out up? Is it stretched out down? And that's just technical analysis, right? So here, I put up a chart of DraftKings, and it just got stretched out and hit an actual resistance level of ours at 54.80. Was it a good short there? I don't know. There's not much resistance above it till 56, so it's telling me I want to be a buyer if it pulls back. That's what it's telling me. So every time we put up a chart, I'm just looking to see where my opportunity is. That's it. Based on the technical analysis that we use. Yes, Clove is definitely a trend trade, guys. If it pulls back to 1770 or 1740. So let's put it out. Hit my max daily loss. How is that possible, Terry? You're doing stuff we're not doing. Right? No, I'm not buying stocks that are really stretched out, Matt. No. Clove 1740. 1740. You want to buy some Clove. Okay, cancel AI. That ain't happening. Tesla. You love trading Tesla too. All right. 608 is the next spot. Next boot camp is the 28th of this month. That is correct, Nancy. Next boot camp is the 28th of this month. Well, Mara's not oversold. It depends on what Bitcoin does, right? And Bitcoin's getting a smack-a-dacker now. So, again, I think if Bitcoin breaks the recent lows around 30 grand, we could see 18,500. That's just my personal opinion. Again, FUV, just buy. Now, don't buy it here, but it's a much better buy than sell if we can get a pullback. It's a great trend trade. Perfect. Spectacular. None of these things are pulling back. Wendy's, no. Wendy's is done. Forget about Wendy's. That is done for the day. It's not going to do anything. FUV, 32% short interest. All right. Well, let's try to buy some of this on a pullback, right? Let's put an order out in FUV. Spread's great. The volume's great. We got 1490 and 1470. So let's do it. We'll put out 1470 to try to buy a little. Chaka-laka-laka. Dave, my man, how's it going? It's going okay, Igor. We're learning. We're learning as we go. Getting some trades setting up. Wow, look at Playboy, guys. Again, we weren't watching, but it just hit our pivot point for a 75-point trade on 75-cent trade on the short side. Right? Crazy. Now it's a better buy than sell. We can't short Clove. Clove is not shortable, I don't think. Is it shortable? No, we can't short Clove, so we got to just kind of buy this on a pullback. Tell us how you select your watch list. Well, it's been very easy the past few days, Jaga. It's just been all about the meme stocks. That's it. But normally we go to our movers and shakers in the morning. That'll give us a little hint. And then we always want to be where the action is. Clove are coming up to 18 and 17.65 small. Clove, 18 and 17.65. See if we get 18 first. Oh. Can I put up Playboy? Yes, I can. So Playboy exactly hit our pivot point on the upside after going up $3 and hit 51.70 and just gave $1 short off that. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I wouldn't short it again now, but it gave you $1 short right from that spot. Isn't that crazy? Technical analysis. SoFi. I love SoFi. You know, SoFi's been whippy lately, right? It's got to get back above 22. I don't really see a play in SoFi right now. I am long SoFi through the SPAC. I own SoFi at $13 pre-IPO, which is now about $40 because we got 1.77 shares. So I love SoFi long term. How do you decide it's better to buy on a pullback rather than to sell? Yeah, I mean, that's all the stuff that you got to learn, you know, and that just takes some time. We'll talk a minute before we leave about buying our course, which teaches absolute beginners how to trade and comes with mentorship on every Thursday night. We'll talk a little bit about that. GameStop. Can we short GameStop? No. I mean, not technically. You know, not here. It's a better buy if we get a pullback to a trend line. 357, which is a technical spot, is telling us to short it in GameStop. So everything we do, guys, once we put up a chart, and I'll give you guys the technical analysis that we use. We have a 9 EMA, a 15 EMA, 65 EMA, and a 200 EMA. Those are our moving averages. Then we have pivot points, which are our dotted lines, and relative strength, and that is it. So to put it as simple as I can for you guys, when stocks hit one of our lines, we decide when we want to make a trade. That's it. When stocks hit one of our lines, if it sets up, that's when we will make a trade. Bitcoin below 32,000. Yeah, it has been. You know, if Bitcoin's got to break the lows. If we break 30,000, again, you guys know my opinion on Bitcoin. I am not touching it until 18,500. Everybody in this room, including myself, bought Bitcoin the last time. It was the first time I ever bought it, right around 30,500, 31,000. And we sold it for 9,000 points in 2 days. That's the only time I ever got involved so far in Bitcoin. And we bought Mara, and we just bought Mara, not Riot. Depends, Matt. One of my partners has the wallet and all that stuff. I just tell him what to do and when to do it. But we bought Mara and Riot based on that. All right, cancel these two things. Neither of them are ever happening. What's going on in Kodak, guys? We bring through good things to life. Let's go, Kodak. The WKH is really kicking profits some more. WKHS. WKHS. Yeah, beautiful. So got to a little shorty there. WKHS at like 1740. And actually gave you a 50-cent trade off that. Wow. Wow. Should I sell one Kodak call or hold it as a lotto? You only have one, Ken? You guys only have one? I don't know. Maybe put like a 35-cent stop in or to lock in a profit. But to me, it's a lotto. Look, you don't want to lose money on it now, right? We almost tripled our money now. So you can have a little stop at some point, right? Now, Fubo could be setting up for a trend trade now. Nate, you just sold 20 more at 17 in the WKHS. Very good. So hang out, Nate, right? You got like 20 shares left? Whatever. Good. Yes, Clove is a huge meme stock now. Huge. Huge. Again, $10 the other day. I'll show you guys why we liked it there. Look at the daily chart. Right? So I was looking at the daily chart, and it tried to get above 10 once. And then the second time it got above 10, it was just good night, Irene. Is it overbought? Yeah, it's got about a 90 RSI. Does it mean it's not going to keep going up? I think these things can go up long. And I'm glad we couldn't short it, to be honest with you. Shack. And there's no options. Is there options in Clove? That's a good question. I don't even know. Let me go look. I sold it, doubled my money. There's nothing wrong with that, Ken. Making 100% on an option. All right? Overnight? Yeah, again, Shack is a better buy than sell. I mean, it's in a beautiful uptrend. I would not short it. It's too close. Nothing to short there. AMC going down now? Well, AMC would be a regular moving average trade, George, at 57.74. That would be a regular moving average trade. It's trying to hold the trend now. Right there. But 57.70 would be a regular moving average trade. Everybody who's watching and everybody who's visiting my room, all these things is what we teach you, even if you're a very beginning trader, in the course that we've curated at Wall Street Global Trading Academy. So it's all there if you guys want to purchase the course, and we have mentorship every Thursday night. We'll talk about it before I leave. And everybody, I'm going to give a 5-day free trial, the rest of this week trial into my room. How many people we got with us? And how many likes do we have? Because we need a lot of likes. We need a lot of likes. It's the best likes. We need the best likes. We need good likes. We need good likes. Yes, I like that BBY short. Well, except I can't short BBBY, Solomon. This is just meme city, guys. It's insane. It's insane. Really is. Yeah, Apple would have been great if we could have got that little dipsy doodle at our level, right? Just didn't quite get there. I mean, I hate to sell the Kodak and then open at $13 tomorrow. You know? I mean, we're up 300% on our option from yesterday. 17 cents to 60 cents. Wow. That's sick. So $170 is now $600. Wow. SoFi must be going up if Sally's even mentioning it.
It's funny, right, David?
What?
It's funny. Everything is funny.
It's insane, right? 35 years I'm doing this, and I've never seen this before. I haven't. It's crazy. I mean, and as I said earlier, gig is in. I'm happy everybody's crushing it. But it's just redonkadonk. Madame, I'll talk about the course before we get out of here. The course is the bee's knees. It is. We'll talk about it before we leave. CLVS or CLOV? CLOV. CLVS. There's another one short squeezing there. Not yet. Thank you, Cayenne. Thank you. Who is trading at least 1 million on a meme today? Yeah. Nance, I'll check, but I think you're good. I think you are good. Neo is dead. Sold your Kodak for 60 cents. Nice, Jeremy. Nice. So what is that percentage-wise? 17 to 60. 300%. Right? 300%? Yeah, again, Rocket's a better buy than sell. Wackadoodle. Everything we're looking at is a better buy than sell. It just, except for AMC now. AMC, we got 56, and I love around 54. $55 to 600 on Clove. Wish I got more. That's okay, Trevin. You know, you can't look back and say woulda, coulda, shoulda. You know what I mean? Put the money in a bank, move on to the next trade. When should I sell Clove? Where are you in it from, and how many shares do you have, Irma? Are the questions that I need to know. And then I can try and help you. Yeah, everything we're doing here, guys, is we're day trading. Okay? We're not swing trading. We're not holding things for a long time. This is day trading. We do options, obviously, and we do swing trading, obviously. Yeah, wow, GameStop. Did that hit the 9 at 325 and just go up $13? Are you kidding me, Ken? So here's what we look for in GameStop. Look at the pullback to our trend line at 325. There it is, 325. And it's gone up 12 points in a minute and a half. There is the trade. A couple of people in the room got it. We teach you how to do the trend trade. 12 bucks. $12 in about a minute. Oh, my God.
David, a question for you. When
Yes.
you're having a really good day like this, how do you know when to call it quits? When you're just on fire?
That is a great effing question. So this is two ways, right? Everybody who comes into the room and trades with me, they should have some kind of goal as to, okay, I'm happy if I make that amount of money, if I average that amount of money every day, right? And I tell people to be realistic. You know, nobody comes in and says, I want to make, $1 million a day. But everybody has some kind of goal depending on the amount of shares that they trade. And what I tell people is, once you hit that goal or come close to it, you leave. You're done. Get out of here. Go enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your wife. Enjoy your kids. It usually doesn't get any better than that, right? This first hour of the day, I guarantee everybody that at about 11 o'clock, that's going to be it, and the day's not going to ever get any better than that. So what we do is we kick in what we call the 20% rule. Because sometimes, like you said, Spence, things are going so well. All right, I want to hang out a little bit. I hit my goal of whatever, $200. But things are going so well. Let's see if I can turn the 200 into 300 or 400. And I don't have a problem with that. Here's what you have to do, though. If at any point you hit your goal and you give back 20% of that number, then you have to stop trading and you're done for the day. Because what a lot of beginning traders or even a lot of experienced traders will do is they'll take their big winning day and turn it into a losing day, which is something we can never have happen. First of all, it's the worst feeling in the world, right? It's the worst. How could I do that? I can't believe I did it. So once anyone hits their goal that trades with me, you want to hang out and trade a little bit, that's fine. But if at any point during the day you give back 20% of your money, you get out of here. So if you're up 500, you give back $100, you're done. That's it. So never turn a winning day into a losing day. But, I tell people if you get to your goal, look, the most precious commodity in the world is time, right? We ain't ever getting that back. So how cool is it to sit here for an hour and make the amount of money that you want to make for the day and then just go leave and do something else? So, the money management part of this, Spence, is by far the most important part. It's not picking the stocks. It's not the X's and O's. It's the money management of what to do once you get into a trade. And once you have hit certain goals, that's the hardest part for traders. So that's it.
Maybe a lot of time you just lean on the clock, right? Say, oh, it's 11 o'clock anyway. I'm done regardless, right?
Yes.
And the clock will bail you out.
100%. Yeah. And this is one of the hardest things for traders to do, though, Spence. Whether you're doing well or doing bad. If you're doing bad, you're going to stay and you're going to chase trades forever, and you're going to end up doing worse. We know that. But a lot of us have a tendency to be greedy, right? And it's going so well in the first hour of the day, I'm just going to hang out. I'm staying, and I'm going to make my 200, 500, 1,000, 2,000. Again, it's not going to get any better than it is right now. Yeah, we can start looking far from moving average in BBBY, guys. This is up $2.50. Just gave it to you, 38.28. Let's see if that would have worked. I got there a little late. So let me explain to you guys what a far from moving average is for everybody and what we look for. Again, all stuff that we talk about in our course, which we'll get to before we leave. So I'm looking on a 5-minute chart in BBBY, and the stock is extremely stretched out. Now, we didn't quite have the ADR side. Two things we look for when a stock is really stretched out. One, it's over $2 away from the closest moving average. But more importantly, we need this relative strength to be close to 80. And right now we're about 77. A stock that has a relative strength of 80 is not going to keep going up like this without having some kind of pullback at some point. So now we are $2.30 above the moving average. So I'll put a little marker here right now. And what I'll do is I'll short 10 shares of stock. And if it gets to like $39, which will be really stretched out, $3 above the moving average, I will add another 10 shares. And then I will go to the 1-minute chart and look for a reversal in the stock. That's what a far from moving average trade is. So I'll start with a tiny little bit. I shorted 10 shares. If I can get 50 cents out of that, that's fine. We'll just take the profit. But I wanted to get to 39, and then we'll see if we get, see, we just got a little red bar around here. So the stock should pull in if it's going to, below 33. But it might not have been the high yet. And you can see we're still stretching out a little more. So that's why I only did a tiny amount of shares. And we get to 35, we'll start looking at the far from moving average trade. What are we doing in Kodak? 62 cents. All right. Clove is parabolic. This is insane. Nothing is insane. BBBY is parabolic. Clove is parabolic. How did Clove not stop trading? How did this not stop trading? Right? It's up more than 10%, isn't it? I'm up 80% on my calls now. There you go. That's a beautiful thing. I don't understand how Clove didn't stop trading, right? We can't short Clove. There's no far from moving average trade in Clove, so can't do it. That's why BBY is still running. Same thing. So I'll just try to cover the BBY at 38.50. We go in that direction. How can it not stop, right? Isn't this up like 20%? Clove is borrowable. Made over 900. Way to go, Steven. I love it. Excellent. Excellent. For so long, you and me finding each other for so long. I added another 10 shares in BBBY. I'll add another 10 shares at 39.50. I'll try to cover it all at 38.50 if we get a pullback. Again, I'm just doing this very, very small. These things are absolutely parabolic is right. And I can tell you this, right? There's your pullback from 25 in Clove to 23. Wow. All right, let's go to BBBY. Everything's crazy overbought now. So we're $2.50 above the moving average in BBBY now. let's see if we can get a little red bar here to add a little bit for a trade. So now I'm looking for the far from moving average trade, but I don't want it to go down too much. Is anyone in Clove? I think some people are in Clove. If Clove, what's pullback? What would trigger a halt in BBBY? Nah, we're nowhere near that. All right, just gave you the 39.42. So if you just got the far from moving average trade at 39.40, you start covering some at 39, and you have like a 39.60 stop. Oh, got to cover a little at 39. There we go. Boom, covered 39. Now try to cover 38.50 on the balance and be done with the trade. So there's your far from moving average trade. Got it around 39.50. We'll try to get out at 38.50 if it gets to that spot. Here we go. Come on, smack a dack at 38.50. Boom. Out of the trade. There's your far from moving average trade, guys. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. All right, so we got in around 39.50 and got out of it at 38.50. All right, everybody get the far from moving average trade? Almost got $1 on it. Excellent. That we got that from our 1 minute chart, guys. Okay, so when we have our criteria set up, this was the first time we got over that 80 RSI. Right there. So we're really stretched out with $3 above the moving average. We switched to the 1 minute chart. Second, we see that red bar, we short the stock, and we basically got $1 out of the trade. So we got in around 39.50, got out at 38.50. Boom. Why so small? What difference does it make? Why so small? And why is that confusing? I put up the 1 minute chart and said do the trade. Everybody does whatever shares is comfortable for them. Captured 25 cents on BBBY. Good. I got Clove stocks. All right, what the only thing I could see in Clove is maybe the 1 minute is $22. I made 50 cents on BBBY with 300 shares. There you go, Richard. So a nice $150 in 2 seconds. Beautiful. Excellent. So 22.01 is the 1 minute trend line in Clove. I don't know if I like that. I think we'd be patient here and see if we can get it back to maybe one of the moving averages. Stop loss on a far from moving average trade, which Prateeth you have to learn, is the high sale of the previous bar. So I would have been out of this trade if it got back above whatever that was, 39.70, whatever that was, around 39.70. Again, you have to, these are all things you have to learn. We'll teach you all these things. You'll learn them in the course, and you'll learn them in my boot camp, and if you want to become part of our group. Yes, I can pull up Clove. So Clove, guys, 2025. That is the trend now. Let's do it small. And Clove did the same thing far from moving average, but we can't short it. So the trend now is 2025. So we'll buy a little at 2025. It holds that level. We can add to it. And then below that, we got 1932. So this is what I mean about stocks not keeping going up forever. Stock just went to 25. Now, what we can look for here, okay? If we look for a little consolidation here and we get a green bar, it's a better buy. So let's keep a tight eye on it right here. So if we get back above like 2160, it's probably going to be a better buy. But now it's getting a smack-a-dack. Good. I couldn't go right down to 2025. That would have been nice. So 2025, the reason I'm doing that small is because there's a gap below that down to 1950. What happened with Clover is just, a major breakout to the upside, major short squeeze. Now it's trying to pull back to a level that might be buyable. Let's see what happens. There is no TNA, BJ, in this thing. There's no TNA. There's no TNA in anything that we're looking at anymore. I can't account for any of these moves, I can tell you that. What I can account for is the trade setting up that like we just did. And I know I would have wanted to buy this if we could have spiked right down to that 2030 level. It just went up $1 from there. So let's see what happens. We'll give it a couple of minutes. I would love it to pull back to 1960, right? So let's do this, guys. So you never know with this thing, right? Let's do it really small at 2025. And it'll run from here, but we'll add to it at 1960. That would be a hell of a pullback, but I think we're going to get a bounce from here. BBBY not stop. RIP everybody who bought coin on opening day. Well, this is one of Kathy Wood's biggest holdings, right? Which stocks look like the next Clove? That is a great question, CR. I wish I effing knew. Yes. Her two biggest holdings are getting the smack-a-dacker today. Coin. Well, Tesla's still fine, though. Yeah. Bitcoin just does not look good, I can tell you that. Yeah, Clove got the little bouncer there. It was kind of trying to consolidate. You could see it. But look how nice it would have been, guys and gals, if we could have got down to that 2050 level, right? That's a trend trade. It missed it by 20 cents. And it's up $1.30 from there already. So that's why trend trades are so powerful, especially when stocks are doing what they're doing right now. Wish will be the next Clove. Okay. Jump on in. Context duology. I hear you. Look, you can't look back. Once you put profits and money in the bank, you don't look back. It is what it is. Move on. There'll be plenty of other ones to look at some point, right? Yeah, and BBBY didn't really pull back after that. Yeah, day 2 in BBBY. I will look to short these things if we get 3 days in a row up. And we have that same 80 RSI that we got on a 5-minute chart. So, think we can get another day or two of this, guys? Why not, right? Holy crap, Kodak's almost $10 now. Holy shite. Wow. Yeah, it's still a decent premium, 60 cents, but we still got the rest of the week. Sold all my clothes at $21.86. Ah, cool. Yeah. See what the next move is. So we got 2025 and 1960. We're going to stay where we are now, see if we get pulled back in this thing. GameStop earnings tomorrow. Again, I can tell you this right now. GameStop, what this stock is doing has absolutely nothing to do with earnings because they're not going to have any. And I don't think people care. You know what I'm saying? But it has nothing to do with earnings. They're doing much better now than they were. I went away for a few weeks now. Did I miss some big change? No. Peter, most active this morning. Thanks. Thanks, Pete. Yeah, I mean, the conference call will probably be more interesting. All right, ladies and gents. Let me quickly show you guys, because a lot of people have asked me, and they'll put the post up for you guys. Anyone who wants to purchase our course, it is on sale for you guys right now. Wall Street Global Trading Academy. That's me, and that's Peter, the Einstein of Wall Street. This is our course. It covers everything from absolute beginning, language of the stock market, money management, chart basics, our 5 trading techniques, swing trading, options trading, cryptocurrency, and most importantly, you get access to me and Peter every Thursday night for continued mentorship. So let me show you guys quickly. If you enroll, the cost of the course is now $399 instead of $499. And then once you log into your course, it's over 6 hours of videos. Language, money management, chart basics. We help you set up all your charts. The 5 trading techniques, swing trading, options, crypto. And here's the most important part, guys and girls. Every Thursday night at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we get together and I answer all the questions you have about the course. Don't get any better than that. It's normally $500. It's $400. You get me every Thursday night forever to answer all your questions about the course. So that's it. Wall Street Global Trading Academy, if anybody's interested in that. Everybody in this room can come visit with me for the next 4 days if you would like. Okay. I will give you the link for that. greenroom-live.com. This is very simple. Just go down to the 5-day free trial and hit Zoom, and it'll bring you into the room. That's it. So everybody can come and visit me for the next today, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, if you would like. So you purchase the course, you're with me every Thursday night. You can come hang out in the room for the next 4 days for free. That's it. Does Dave stream live like this every day? G-Man, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesdays. I am here to help you guys out, answer any questions you have. Hopefully you get some good trades setting up. I would pay $3.99 every day if I were rich. I hear you, OP. Look, I have people who are just starting with me they're just doing so well. $399, trust me, is not a lot to learn how to trade. It's like nothing. Zero. AMC. Yeah, space is trending. AMC, all right, 56 if we go real fast. I like the 53.75 better. It goes down a little bit. I don't know what to do with Kodak, guys. What do you guys think? I don't know. Should we just hang out till tomorrow? I mean, it's going to lose value. Unless we're significantly above 10 by tomorrow. Maybe I'll just have a 50-cent stop now. Let's see what happens. It was a great call either way, 17 cents to 60 cents. For you assist in setting up a student's charts and think or swim. Yes, Harley, if you purchase the course, it shows you how to set up your charts. Yes, it shows you how to set up your charts. Plus, I'll help you every Thursday night, too. But yes, and you go at your own pace. You have the course forever. You know? It's over 6 hours. If GameStop dips hard like last quarter earnings, trading, thank you for your time. Info is great. Yeah, it could. I mean, it's probably a buy if GameStop gets a smack-a-dacka because nobody gives a crap anyway. Crystal, the course you will have forever to look at any time that you want. But I will get together with you every Thursday night forever at 5 p.m. to answer any questions you have about the course. So nobody does that, guys and gals. You're not getting a course and have somebody go over it with you live every Thursday night. It just doesn't happen. Do we like BBBY on the trender? 37.50 and 37. Let's go trend. Yeah, let's try the 15. 37. Canceling Clove now. These things are starting to come in a little bit. Let's just see. And when this was really far away from the moving average, I told everybody that 90% of these times, at some point, it's going to come back and test one of the moving averages. So you can almost stay in it short a little bit longer. We'll try 37. If we get a nice pullback in this one. What is your take on Wellbill? Well, Wellbill is for a lot of people who don't have $25,000 to actively day trade, right? Which I understand. You know, we can talk about the different kind of trading accounts that you have and that you need to be an active day trader. With the course forever and a bib treat for my Alzheimer's 50 year, I might be able to. There you go, OP. Well, the good thing about it is you can take your time going over it. So that's the good thing about it. And you get us every Thursday nights. Look, I'm trying to get to as many people as I can and teach them in the most affordable way as possible that this is something you can do. It just takes time. Joe said the course is great. I also did the boot camp last month, and I've been making money. Yeah, thank you. Well, the boot camp's another thing. Boot camp we can talk about if you come into the room for a little visit. That's when I do that course, but I do it live over the course of 40 hours during the week. And you get a month in the room with that. That's a different thing now. Different price range. What are my thoughts on Chewy? Let's take a look. I go right to the daily chart when anyone asks me about a stock. So Nomad, to me, was sitting at a pretty important level on the daily at 79 because it's finally maybe starting to pop up above that. And look, the weekly also. So we're at a very big spot in Chewy. So this is what I tell the people looking at something like this. You know, I'd probably buy some upside calls. This way, if it's a false breakout and it goes back down, it's not the end of the world. But, oh, we got Chewy earnings. Thank you, Eric. There we go. When are they? Earnings are in 2 days. So, here, this is especially important. I would not buy stock with the earnings come out in 2 days, but I would buy options, if anything. Clovey, let's go look. Come on. All right, Clove. Yeah, we want to buy a little right here in Clove. Oh, I'm bidding 1960. All right. Oh, come on, Clove. Say it ain't so. I just missed that by 4 cents in Clove. All right, cancel Clove. Where are you in Clove? KK. I said to wait till 1960. That's where I had my order got. All right, don't panic. Relax. Relax. Put an order out to sell some at 2040. All right. Just relax for a minute. 1960 was the spot. That was where my order was. So we should have bought it at 1960 and been selling it at 20 and change. I know, but why did you have the order in if I didn't want you to do it? All right, next spot is 1930, which we will do, guys. 1930 Clove. All right, I'm telling you to put orders out to sell some at 2040 and 2050 if it goes in that direction. Look, the bottom line, 1960, it went up to 2020. So, all right, guys, I'm going to take my money in Kodak. Locking it up in Kodak. I don't care what happens tomorrow. We made 400% on the trade. Crimson and clover. What happened, Gus? Oh, Tesla? What are you guys looking at? Talk to me. Oh, you put a 50-cent stop in the Kodak. Yeah, that's fine. I'm down with that. It's still a triple. Right? It's fine. Tesla. 597 Tesla. I like it for a quick trade, Lou. Yes. Again, these things are coming down to earth now. So again, KK, you should have never had an order at $20.25 if I have an order there. Let me look at BBBY. Yeah, BBBY did, bounced off the 9. So let's cancel that for now. We'll give Clover another minute. All right. Just have your orders out. Sell 2040. Sell 2050. BBBY. Oh, did you get a little on the 9 BBBY? I was bidding 37. Didn't quite get that. AMC. Yeah, we would have got stopped out of AMC, though. It spiked almost $1 below, Ken. See that? That would have been a stop order. Let me look, Matt. I was trying to use it to get in at 1930. Yes, Matt. Because it's another spot. So, yes, we can use it. Yep. 1930 would have been the spot to use it. No orders for the moment, guys. What is the configuration? No, it's a regular moving average trade, Matt. We will use VWAP sometimes, and you can make a note of it. We will use VWAP just like a regular moving average if we don't have a moving average there. Okay? So you can make a note of that. We will use VWAP.
How we doing, David? I'm just hopping in to give you a little 2-minute warning. We got SPACs attack starting at 11.
We are good to go. We are done for the day. It's been an excellent morning. Appreciate you having us here again.
Lots of volatility. It's fun when we got stocks moving.
Yeah, exactly.
Any tips for beginner traders that might be trading in a volatile market?
Learn technical analysis. I don't care who you learn it from, but we can't just be throwing darts on a board. That's a recipe for disaster. So you got to learn some kind of technical analysis to give you at least a framework as to where you might be buying and selling stocks. That would be my best advice.
I like that. All right, well, we will be back tomorrow morning, correct?
We will be back tomorrow morning.
Beautiful. All right, David, we'll see you tomorrow morning.
All right, guys. Thanks for having me, Aaron.
Always. Thank you.